Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with a single square sticky note and act immediately. Fold one corner to the opposite to create a triangle, then press a sharp crease so the paper holds shape. Once done, fold one half of that triangle edge toward the center line. Accurate alignment matters because the star points depend on symmetry. Make sure to keep the adhesive strip out of the main folds so the star will stick later. Small, exact folds make the later steps cleaner and faster. Next, you continue by rotating the folded unit and repeating the same fold sequence to build 4 identical point segments. Consistency creates a balanced star. As you complete each segment, tuck the new folded flap into the pocket formed by the prior fold so the structure locks without glue. If a flap resists, reopen slightly and recrease. A firm fingernail or bone folder helps produce crisp edges. Once all segments interlock, the shape begins to look like. To finish, flatten the center so the star lies evenly, pressing gently to set the form. This balances the points and reveals any loose flaps. Make sure to peel only a small section of the sticky backing and press the star where you want it to stick. The adhesive holds best on smooth, clean surfaces. If a point looks off, refold that segment and retuck it into its pocket. This realignment usually corrects asymmetry without damaging the note.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.